Hello everyone, I'm Ligo. Today's topic is BTS Jungkook and Lisa Fortune Harmony Analysis. BTS Jungkook is a fortune that feels like a celebrity. Lisa of Blackpink is a very sincere fortune. Then what about their harmony? Let's analyze it together. Jungkook is the sun in his fortune. The sun thinks he is special and hates being tied to small things in the world. Jungkook has some letters that mean popularity in fortune, and there is a combination of letters that give him strong energy. Lisa is a big mountain in her fortune. Large mountains have the characteristics of giving people confidence and being the center point everywhere. Lisa has some letters that mean popularity in her fortune. She has two sets of letter combinations that give her strength and sexiness. There is a conflict with some. Union means a person with a lot of affection and a sense of conflict. She is very interested in raising his value because she is united with the letters meaning wealth. Wealth and impudence are in conflict. Wealth means father, value judgment, etc. Impudence means mother, document, learning, etc. Therefore, Lisa may have a bad relationship with her parents, and she should be careful of documents, contracts, when building property. Then let's do a full analysis. Jungkook has strong letters that mean himself. It means that he is confident and have high physical activity intelligence. The flow of energy leading to art and wealth is good. It means to show his talents with value, and it is a fortune structure that is usually seen by celebrities and businessmen. That's cool. Lisa also has strong letters that mean herself. Like Jungkook, she is confident and has high physical activity intelligence. Physical activity intelligence has the upper hand in physical activities such as exercise, dance, and mother. They prefer to handle their work themselves rather than having others do it themselves. Lisa's energy is flowing from the letters meaning wealth to the letters meaning honor and input energy and ultimately to herself. The structure of energy inflow is a good luck structure for fulfilling a given responsibility and working in an organization. It's a structure that pursues a very sincere and exemplary life. It's a little different from celebrity fortune, but Lisa can be analyzed as having achieved her current success with sincerity and constant effort. Therefore, their fortune score is not that high. It's very good that they have a clear spouse position and a good spirit, but the flow of energy is very different. Therefore, I will give them 83% for their fortune harmony score. Please improve and be happy. Thank you. The first duty of love is to listen. Paul Tilly. Subscribe, thumbs up please. Thank you very much. Bye.